Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at how to enable or disable one on closing window with multiple tabs feature. What does this mean? It means you want to enable the feature that warns you when you want to close a window that has multiple tabs opened, or you want to disable the feature. Any of the two. Let's get started. From the home menu, right click and then select settings. And then from the left hand menu here, click on features. On the right hand menu here, scroll all the way down until you see user interface. Here it is, and then scroll down until you see the option we're looking for. Here's it. To get warning when you're closing windows with multiple tabs, we enable this. If you do not want this, you can simply disable it by okay. It's as simple as that. So now when you're closing windows that has multiple tabs, you will not get a warning. But if you enable it, you get a warning so you can check multiple tabs and see which of them you would like to keep.